which was the anti-snore mouth tape.
Mm.
So do you want to take me through your experience of that?
Sure. I thought it was all right. It was a bit random, obviously, putting it on because I just obviously then you can't speak and you can't, breathe out your mouth. But again, I haven't really been having any breathing problems with my nose. I don't have like a blocked nose or anything. So it was actually kind of surprisingly fine. I think the first 5 minutes I was a bit like, this is kind of weird. And then obviously you just go to bed, famously. And then I don't know. I didn't wake up at all. I didn't feel uncomfortable. I didn't even